Council wrote to NUP inviting them, first of all informing them of their eligibility and inviting them to join IPOD. The National Unity Platform on record declined and said that they still have lots of issues that remain unresolved and therefore they were not willing to join us. On that note, I cannot say that, I cannot even compare them because there was no point of departure of engagement with them.
It's not creating an order because you cannot force me to cooperate with you when I don't want. It's like you want to suffocate parties. We are in a democratic system, a democratic party, government. To me, this bill is not making any sense. Thank you, Right Honorable Chair.
So what kind of pressure are you under? What is really itching you that now you want to force things even on members of parliament?
We are saying that the moment you want to access government funds, okay, call them public funds, then you must be a member of the National Consultative Forum. If you don't want the funds, don't bother to be a member.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.